Asks leak 1186 max subarray sum with one deletion. So it gives us integer array ARR, and we can drop one of the number from this array, and we want to find uh, a subarray which will be the maximal after drop. So let's look at the example 3, right? So if we drop any one, right? So what we can choose is just one element. So we for every element we have a for actually we need to maintain the two states for this question. One is called no delete. Another is called delete. So no delete is the subarray which is end with I, which has the largest largest subarray we see so far, right? So that is a question like a current in the same question as maximal subarray is the largest end with I, but we don't delete any number. And delete is we delete one number. So delete will be have two choices. One is no delete for a new number. For example, this is at end with I, right? For the new number, end with start with I plus 1. For the delete, it can come from no delete and delete current number. And also can be coming from delete delete and add current number, right? So for the maximal one, which has max, have the subarray will be for every end with I or I plus 1, we need to compare the maximal no delete and max and delete, right? So for the no delete, that is we have the choice to add to the new no delete for a new number, or we start from a new number, right? So if that no delete is negative, of course we need to start a new, right? So we have the option to add to the previous no delete, or we start from the new one. So let's write code for this. So we're going to have a result int n equals array dot length, and the result equals let's say array 0, right? And delete equals 0, and no delete equals array 0, right? So then what we do is for int I equals 1, I smaller than n, I plus plus. So we'll see delete. We are coming from max delete, and also delete add current number, right? Array I. That means in the previous round, it already have one number deleted, or we can delete current number. That is no delete plus 0, right? Because current will not calculate. And for the no delete, this is Kaden. It have two options. That is no delete is the max subarray which end with I. So it also have the two options, right? So this have no delete plus array I. Or if, for example, previous node is a negative number, we just start from new one, right? And for our result will be just for every index in with I, we just calculate the max subarray which already have one number deleted or don't have any number deleted. In the end, we just return result. Sorry, this should be have another one. Max result. So the time complexity will be O n and space will be constant space complexity. We can also write a Python code for this. And then result no delete equals let's say one delete equals length of array, result equals array 0, and no delete equals array 0. One delete initial set has 0. So for I in range from 1 to n, right? So we say one delete equals to max. It's already deleted in the previous round, and add array I, or it is no delete, and the current we just delete the current array I, right? And also for no delete, it has two options. One is we add current nums I to the previous no delete subarray, or we start from a new array as array I, right? And the result equals max one delete or no delete. So in the end, just a return result. Return the result should be max result, right? Because this max is just for every end with I the max, right? So, but we need to have a global max. So, so will be the code.